Hey everyone, Dayron here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to share with you 4 things that you need to know about your vacuum cleaner. The first one, let me tell you first, I'm going to show you a chart because it's the one we love in our shop, but I'm not trying to sell you a chart vacuum cleaner. I'm just going to share with you 4 tips, 4 things that you need to know about your vacuum cleaner. The first one in the chart, most of them, they have a vacuum adjusting section where you can adjust how much vacuum you want to create. Let me show you down here on the beating bar. When you adjust the vacuum pressure, that will give the beating bar more speed. It will create more suction. And why you need to adjust that is very simple. If you're vacuuming a wool rug and it has tall piles, you need to be very careful because the beating bar could damage your wool rug or your carpeting. You need to play with the adjusting level. Some vacuum cleaners, instead of having the adjusting level on the top, you can adjust the level of the beating bar, the brush that you have. That's the first tip. Make sure you know how to adjust the suction, and if you don't adjust the suction, you need to adjust the level of your beating bar, the brush. Another tip, how do you make sure that you get the biggest extraction, the most suction out of your vacuum cleaner? When you're vacuuming, your canister can go only 3/4 full. You always need to make sure that you're leaving at least 1/4 empty. That way your motor is not making a lot of effort, is not working as hard as it should when it's full. Always leave 1/4 empty and you will get the most out of your vacuum cleaner. Another tip, if you're vacuuming a wool rug, a floor mat, here's the trick. When you're vacuuming, look down here, your vacuum cleaner needs to be on the edge and on the side edge too, because if you go out, do you see that little gap? You're creating an empty space that is pulling air, and then you're going to lose suction. By doing that, this section is not picking all the soil that you have on your rug. Every time you're vacuuming, you need to be right on the edge. You go to the front and make sure that you don't go out on the side, and that's the way you vacuum. Don't forget, don't come out because you're losing suction. Then let me show you, if you have a big area, here's how we vacuum. If you're a right hand, the vacuum cleaner needs to be on the right side. Then you step up front with the vacuum cleaner, then you can stretch your arm all the way out and you come back and you keep moving to the right. This way you get a lot more done much quicker. I hope these quick tips help you to get the most out of your vacuum cleaner. Don't forget to adjust the suction, check the beating bar, leave 1/4 empty. When you're vacuuming your wool rugs, stay on the edge. If you're vacuuming floor mats, don't go out, stay right on top of the vacuum cleaner. And when you're stay on top of the rug, and when you're vacuuming, don't forget that you have to step up front and you step back and you just go in and out with your vacuum cleaner. I hope you find this tip helpful, and if you need any help with carpet cleaning, you know who to call. One more time, I'm Dayron with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you.